So I have a little bit of translucent powder on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my brows. I'm oily, so this kind of combats the oil throughout the day. Then I'm going to take a spoolie and just brush my brow hairs upward. Next, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses brow pencil in the color Black Brown. By the way, this pencil is only $1.99 at my local beauty supply store. And I'm just going to kind of outline the natural curve, the natural direction of my brow. So you want to do the same thing with the top. You're just pretty much going the natural direction of your brow. And I didn't speed up this video because I want you guys to see how that I'm using a very light hand. I'm not pressing hard at all. I'm pretty much letting the pigmentation of the pencil do the work. I'm not really pressing down at all. So I'm just using a very light hand. So once I have my brows outlined, then I'm going to use like feather-like motions, kind of upward, and fill in the sparse areas. So once you get to the front of your brow, you want to go even lighter, and once again using hair-like strokes and going in an upward motion. And then you're going to take your spoolie and brush that product all throughout your brow. And then you want to take an angled brush with concealer. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fond. And you really want to take your time in this process. If you so happen to get concealer on your hair, on your brow hair, then it's just going to take forever to fix. So you want to take your slow time. You want to take your time and make sure that you're precise. I know for me, when I'm rushing and I don't do my brows the way that I want, it seems like my whole makeup application just doesn't look right to me. It's imperative for me to just take my time and do my brows right. When my brows are on point, then like the rest of my face is on point too. So once you get your desired shape, you want to go ahead and blend that concealer downward, just so it won't look as, thick and harsh in that area. You want to take some concealer and also go ahead and carve out the top as well. And make sure, once again, you take your time so you won't get any concealer on your actual brow hair. And just follow the natural curve of your brow. And then once you get that desired shape, then you're going to blend upward. And just kind of observe your brow and see if you need to clean up any other areas. If some areas look too thick to you and you need to clean it up with a little bit more concealer, then you can go ahead and do that. So just observe, look, see where it needs to be cleaned up, and then you can go from there. To prevent having a white line at the top of your brow, I just take that same angled brush and I dip it in some of my foundation and go along those lines so it kind of covers that white line so you won't have like a halo brow. And then you're just going to blend upward with that foundation. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend everything out. So I'm going to go ahead and take that spoolie and make sure my brow hairs are just brushed in place. They're pretty tame today, but if they were kind of out of whack, then I would have used the brow gel, but they're pretty good, so I didn't have to use any. So look at the difference. Look at the difference. All right, guys, and this is how they look when I do both of them. And that's it, you guys. I will see y'all on the next video. Until then, God bless. Bye.